Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to summarize and perform AI chat with any website absolutely for free online. So let's get started. For this we'll be using a tool called as NotebookLM, and this is from Google. So first thing, just Google NotebookLM. You'll be getting the official link as notebooklm.google. Just click that and make sure that you are signing in with your Google account. So after you sign in, you'll be getting an interface like this. Just click on create new, and here we can not only link our website but also you can upload PDF, even YouTube videos. For example, here they're having this ad source, right? Select it, and as you can see here, we can upload files from our Google Doc, Google Slides, and we are also having upload options for PDF, text, MP3, and you can also link website and YouTube, and this allows 50 sources. That's insane. And for this example, I'm having the Wikipedia page of history of America, so I'll just copy this link, and here we're having the website source. Select it and paste this link over here and just click on insert. That's it. So it just goes through this particular website, condenses the text and gets the context out of it. So as you can see here, it has literally given me the heading and the Wikipedia content. So if I again go to add source, we are having 1/50. So if you are having multiple sources of data, for example, if you have two sources of websites, you can again go and add another website. And if you are having PDF, you can add a PDF again. YouTube link, you can add a YouTube link. So you can ask questions and summarize from multiple sources. That's really good from this tool. So now let's just go and ask a question. So here we are having a paragraph about first settlement in Jamestown. So let me just go and ask this. So I'll just go and ask, what's special about Jamestown? And as you can see here, Jamestown holds significance as the first successful English colony in United States. So if I click on this one, this will literally take us to the source guide. So this particular paragraph exactly comes over here. That's really amazing because you don't even have to scroll. As you can see here, the size of this Wikipedia page is so much, but now you can easily spot where exactly this particular question and its answer comes in the page. So that's amazing. You can just go and ask any questions like this. And apart from this, it also has many other features. So you'll be having this side studio panel. Expand that, and here you are having another feature called as study guide or briefing doc. In case if you want a quick summary of any website, you can just click on this briefing doc option. So I'll just click it. So this is a summary. If I click here, so this has basically condensed all the data into bullet points. So that's good. And what if you wanted some key terms and sample question and answers? In that case, you can just go to study guide and click it. So this is the study guide summary. Click it, and as you can see here, we are having topics and some bullet points. If I scroll down, as I told you, it gives us some sample quiz questions along with answers. So in case you are a professor or a teacher, you're having some data and you want to construct some questions to students, you can literally put that source and click on study guide. It will literally give you the quiz questions as well as answers within a flash. So essay questions, this is the thing that I told you, glossary of key terms. So basically it gives us the key terms and its explanation. So that's study guide. And next we are having something called as FAQ. So if I click it, this basically also quite similar to study guide, just gives us the frequently asked questions. And another cool feature that comes in handy if you are dealing with any website that has data related to history or events is the timeline feature. So if I click it, this basically will condense the entire data in a website based upon timeline. So now if I click here, as you can see, it starts from 15,000 BC and gives a one-line description what happened in that period, and it comes all the way down till 2024. So literally highlights all the important events that occurred in that particular history. So this is really useful if you're having any data which is related to events or historical things. So that's the timeline feature. And next thing is, in case if you want to have a AI podcast from a website, here you are having this deep dive conversation, and if you click customize, it will just select or talk about the only thing that you want in this website. For example, if you want a new topic, you can just add that and it only covers that particular topic from your source. I don't want that. I want the entire website to be converted into an AI podcast. So in that case, you can just click on generate. This will take some time, so just be patient till then. So after some time, you'll be having this playable interface, which means that our podcast is ready. And as you can see here, it has got like a 25-minute AI voiced podcast. So if I play it,
welcome to the deep dive. You wanted to know more about U.S. history? Well, buckle up because we've got a lot to cover.
We're talking ancient mammoth hunter. You had groups like the Iroquois Confederacy. As the demand for labor grew, conflict that would have lasting consequences. This led to U.S. involvement in conflicts in Korea and Vietnam.
We're grappling with its role in...
So it basically starts from the initial history to the modern world. And if you want to download it, you can just click on download. And another feature is this interactive mode, which is in beta version, which basically allows us to talk with this AI voice. So you can just try it out, and that's pretty much it, guys. Just try this tool and let me know in the comments. I hope you would have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming, AI tools. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.